So we're gonna start this thing off with doing a little bit of pressure washing, getting it shined up, making it look really good. The before and after on this, crazy transformation. Next, we'll do a little bit of sanding to make it smooth as can be.
My God is a big God, he's a great God, he's a big God, he's a great God, yeah, he's greater than the rest.
Not everybody likes the staining, but the before and after, something that I really love.
He's a big God, he's a great God.
And the next step would be doing the masking, cover up those beautiful stained floors that we just did.
This is history in the making. I'm going to all the nations through trials and tribulations. I'm overcoming temptations. I'm Michael Jackson bad.
And voila, the pit to the palace, Joseph's dreams.
His faithfulness is amazing. My past, he rearranging. My future, I gotta claim it. The victory for the taking. His words on my meditation. He bring peace to my soul like he
The power washing, the sanding, the staining, the painting. Man, it all came together.
Yes, he is. Big guy, he's a great guy. Yes, he is. He's a big guy. He's a great guy. Yes, he is. My God is a big guy. He's a great guy. He's a big guy. Big guy. He's a great guy. Yeah, he's greater than the rest. Yeah, he's greater than the rest. My God is a big guy. He's a great guy. He's a big guy. Big guy. He's a great guy.
For your next transformation to your home, making your vision turn alive, reach out to Joseph Dreams Co. to turn your pit to a palace.